Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Homes. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako, ituturo ko kayo sa aming one bedroom na 32 square meters. Okay ba? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako, ituturo ko kayo sa aming bedroom na project updates for Manakay. Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So ito naman right now, nandito ako sa atrium level, okay, ni Prisma Residences kay Kiran Building. So right now nasa 32nd floor ako, and just yung unit na yon, this is katabi nung sky patio natin. So we sacrifice a few number of units for this sky patio. So this is the natural ventilation, the breezeway for the whole building, okay, kaya mahangin sa loob ng mga units natin. So this unit is just behind the elevator. Kung makikita ninyo, ito yung elevator lobby natin kay Kiran Building, okay? So nasa likod siya ng elevator, okay? So this is 32 square meters. So pagpasok po ninyo, so para kang meron pang mini foyer dito na pwede mong ilagay yung mga sapatos natin, di ba? Chinelas, ganun. And then pagpasok mo, this is the kitchen area, okay? So again, nagdi-differ lang tayo sa color depending on the project. Pero on this project, ganito yung actual turnover natin. Granite countertop and yung cabinet system natin. And even sa one bedroom unit, kasama pa rin, may mga cabinet system pa rin tayo dyan. Okay? And then, this will be your living and dining area. Kung makita ninyo, ang inner unit po nito, this one is at 28 square meters. Okay? So, napakalaki, napakalawak nitong one bedroom unit na to. Okay? So, you may put here a dining area, diba? And then, actually, yung sa one bedroom po, ang entertainment system is pwede mo na ilagay sa bedroom side. So, before we go to the bedroom side, ito yung toilet and bath natin. Okay? So, fittings and fixtures are included, and then, sa likod niyan, maglagay ka na lang ng shower enclosure. Okay? And then, now, here, we go to the one bedroom. So, ang difference natin sa studio, sa one bedroom, because dito kay Kiran, meron tayong one bedroom, while kay Allegra Garden Place, meron tayong studio na ganitong layout. Tanggalin nyo lang po itong partition na to. Okay, so this is the difference between the studio and the one bedroom units in Kiran, in Prisma Residences. So this is the one bedroom, may partition tayo, and malawak din yung bedroom side natin. Okay, so kagandahan nito, this can fit queen size. So this is queen size, maximum yan. Kasi you have to put, wardrobe system, wardrobe cabinet. And then, dito rin, meron kang sariling balcony. So, dito, ang view mo for this type of unit is C5. And meron tayong view ni BGC area. Okay, C5 Road, Laguna de Bay. Okay, so yan yung possible na magiging view mo if ang unit na mapipili mo is facing on this side. Okay, so for the inventory po, meron pa tayong mga available na mga ganitong unit type kay Kiran Building, kay Prisma Residence. Ngayon, for those who are interested on this type of unit, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko po, naka-flash sa screen, you may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through WhatsApp, okay? And also to Facebook Messenger, nakalink din sa description down below. And also, pwede tayong mag-schedule ng call-in presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayong mag-schedule ng site viewing. So we can, I can tour you here at Prisma Residences and yung mga available na magugustuhan po ninyo. So we can request na for an actual unit viewing, okay? So thank you very much for watching po. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, na-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.